Maganda picture sa akin dun.
Para tayo mayaman na. Ganyan gusto kong bahay di eh. Sa likod. Pagtanda natin. Sa ganyan lang tayo titira dalawa. Yeah. We're gonna bring him up. Hi, Nyanya. Halika siya, lakit na tayo. Let's go up. Kala mo, muwi na kami, no? Luluto na kami ng aming food. Binago mong lahat, pati ang aking mundo. Wala palang tugtog. Ano nak? Ha? Chicken and pork barbecue. Ate Princess, stop playing tablet na anak.
Mamis ka na.
Gonna eat na. Hungry na. Apo, magpe-pray lang si Mami.
Parang lamig sa loob. Time-lapse ba?
Time-lapse. Time-lapse. Ano, sasampalin tayo ng katot. Ate, what are you doing?
There's half chocolate and half marshmallow.
No, what are you doing? What are you preparing? Can you show? Can you show it? Can you please show it to us?
Marshmallow, normal marshmallow, normal marshmallow.
What will you do to that?
Campfire! Mommy, where's the stick? There's no more sticks, na?
No more.
No more.
Okay, I'll just eat one. Mommy, just set up the campfire now.
We're not gonna use that because it's not allowed.
Kaya picture kayo. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Maybe one you want a solid cup of marshmallows? Kuya, you want marshmallows?
Didikit yung ano.
Ayun,
Kuya.
No, it's so hot.
Mom want the griller.
No, didikit yung black. The sunog. You put like this, oh.
Look, oh, it's burning na. Look, look.
Do like this, look.
Look at mine.
Oh, it's not all. Put like this, look.
My eyes.
Ask ka na lang ng help kay Daddy. Let Daddy do it.
I want to see it.
Oh, burn na yung akin.
Malambot na yan. Pwede na yan. Si kuya mo anak, pakigawan mo ha.
It's too burn. Look.
You see? Is that outrage?
How does it taste? It's yummy.
Oh my god, mine's almost burned!
Careful, that's hot anak.
Can I go there
How is it?
when eating?
Wow! Stretch. Uy! Sat! Careful, anak! Careful! Dandahan ako, mainit. Ano? Sarap? There's a chocolate coming out from it.
Ma, look.
Wow!
I put up the skin.
Stretching.
I put up the skin.
How is it? How is it, my love? Nanya. How is it?
Good.
Good. Makatata.
Mama, the chocolate.
You like it? Marshmallow!
Hello guys!
Hello guys, tara po't mag-inom.
Kalda yung natin
Nang.
Ito, cottage natin.
Ganda, no? Hindi sayang pera.
Dati pang kubo lang tayo.
Mailawan mo sa video. Bangit sa ilaw nga. Nagka-camera nga.
Wow!
Si JJ na
Ganda.
pa yun.
Sarap pa.
Pwede naman po kayo dyan mag-inom pag gusto niyo.
Pwede daw pala mag-inom. Thank you po. Sayang yung marshmallow natin. Ubus na. Kakainis.
Meron pala.
Opo, hindi po. Inano na po namin yung marshmallow sa ihawan kanina. You wanna sit?
Oh, this is
Pero nakano siya. Naka-assemble na siya.
Oo. Every night at time sila nagpapaapoy. Weekend lang po meron.
Weekdays wala.
Pero pag weekdays po, pwedeng
Wala ata
guest
masyadong tao,
magpaapoy. Ah,
Wala ata silang tao. Wala masyadong tao pag ano. Weekdays.
Request lang po kayo.
Pag may request po.
may bayad kapag ano.
Pari lang pag ano. Saturday. Sunday.
Ano ba yan? Nagtatablet. Dapat you enjoy the ano eh. You enjoy the bonfire eh.
Yan, malakas na.
Hmm.
Matay lang yung usok tayo mata dito.
Ang dami palang
Dagat na may ganyan no.
may ganyan service yung mga resort, no?
Gagawa sila ng nakasemento. Hindi indirekta dun sa buhangin.
Mama Coke. Mama, the fire's already so big.
Di. Hello. Ikaw kasi di ka naligo kanina sa ano ilog. Di sana mabango ka na ngayon. Wow.
I want you to go in.
Wow, naman nilalamig sa tanay. Sa labas nyo lang papatulugin yan.
Mama, dapat si Papa Shello in.
Bigyan natin ng kumot.
What's it called? Ma! Put it in the wall!
Ito is kuya.
Oh, you got to his face.
It's time to sleep.
I'm not gonna sleep.
is that, Prince? Di. Is that a piece? I can see it. Morning!
Merry Christmas.
Let's grill the
What
bread.
is the just expired? When you're asking questions,
Not yet.
is asking. Mommy, is that just expired?
Not yet, anak.
But I want to drink it. Pero Onya, it's still early. Ma, I want to drink it.
Want to drink?
Yeah. Mommy, what time did you just woke up?
Ano magluto?
Where is a mirror?
Mirror.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
But inside is a window. Mommy, what's that called?
Naipit ka?
Because the door's on.
Pagod.
Mommy, here's some bread.
Pagod ah.
Thank you, anak, for helping mommy.
This is the last one.
Yeah.
This is double bread.
Let's wait for Nyonya muna.
Hello.
Cello. Hindi gininaw. Gininaw kagabi.
Oo. Kala ko tumakas eh. Nagising ka na sa 4.
Chinek mo siya.
Sabi ko, di wala si Shelo ah.
Good morning! Let's swim! Oh! Ang lakas ng agos. Parang ang lakas ng agos, di? Parang ang lakas ng agos. Ayun, wala tayong camping chair. So, lamig. Princess, careful ha. Don't jump. Let's put our... You try to, to go there. Hi! So, mag-life vest na? Diyan din ako? Baka madulas ka. Dito na lang ako dadaan.
Wala madali.
Ay, ikaw na.
Lang, nag-picture pa eh.
May nagpipicture pa. Di, wait lang. Princess! Hi. Go. What the dog? It's okay.
Siga talaga siya.
Ganun pala yung video. Ganun.
Hindi video ka. Natalisid ka pa. Nakinig ka pa.
Nabasag pa yung cellphone.
Hindi na nabasa dyan. Sa mga
Nilinis na namin. It's time to go home.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
Thank you, anak, for helping me. Careful, anak. Holding the railings, bebe. Oh. It's okay, anak. Thank you, bebe ko. Careful, ha? Ay, video pala. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. Waki. 1, 2, 3. Okay na. Si Shell umiiyak. Let's go home na.
Mga shallow.
Bakit yan, Wayne?